welcome back to I Made This Today. And today, I'm making me a revolver. So anyway, today, of course, we're making a revolver. You've read the title, you've probably seen the thumbnail, I'm going to assume. Yeehaw. Yeah, we're going to be making a revolver today. I saw this on Amazon pop up in my little feed, probably because I keep searching for creative stuff. So it found this for me. Looks pretty damn sick, if I do say so myself. I'm kind of looking forward to this. I have built a couple of these laser cut wood sets before, but again, as always, I say, prior to owning a channel for this sort of stuff. So cool. Well, anyway, partner. Anyway, sorry about that. Apparently I just can't figure out how to speak like a cowboy. Anyway, I am super looking forward to building this. They're not normally the longest projects in the world to put together, but they're fun. You get to do a little bit of sanding, which I find kind of relaxing, I'll be honest with you. I'm looking forward to being able to do bigger woodworking projects one day once I get out of this office and into a new home. Hopefully soon, which will have a massive garage that I can build stuff in. But I don't know when that'll be. So in the meantime, send me all your money. I'm joking, there's no way to actually physically do that, but it would be sweet. I'm daydreaming. Anyway, gonna build this today. I'm really looking forward to it. So yeah, anyway, these are laser cut sets. They're super fun to build. No glue, no nothing required. Other than, I think, normally a little bit of sandpaper the size of your thumb that they give you just to rough off some of the edges from where you laser cut it. Other than that, you just literally push everything together. It's all like pressure fit, really easy. Kids can do it, adults can do it. Have a bit of fun with it. There's some really cool intricate sets out there if you're actually interested in getting into this type of thing, just to lose yourself in for a few hours. But trust me when I say, worth it. This was like 20 quid, not very expensive at all. So yeah, go do it. I hit myself in the hat. Not used to having a peak there. Anyway, partner, I'll see. I'll see you in a bit. Yeehaw! Start the video. I got to not do that anymore. Now listen up, partner. This gun ain't going to assemble itself. So you smash like button and then that'll help me assemble it. Partner. Okay, I need to stop messing around and actually continue to put this together. Sorry, I just like to interrupt. And I'm always looking here. I'm looking at the stupid viewfinder instead of your beautiful faces. And I apologise for that. Continue the bill, baby. WEWD. So with all these laser cut sets, they are super duper easy to sort of snap out and put together. Some of the smaller bits can be a little bit finicky, so you do need an adult present. I had to go and get one. But all joking aside, they are a little bit tricksy, but what they do, I said do, they do give you spare parts, majority for like the really finicky parts. There'll be a second of that bit just in case you do break it. Has happened on a set previous, not this one. Everything goes together though, super easy. There is no glue required in this set. As I said in the intro bit, you just kind of need a bit of sandpaper, which they supply, and you're good to go, man. Everything just snaps together. It's quite an interesting build, this one, because you have to use like all the springs and stuff like that to actually get everything to be sprung loaded. It sort of resets the trigger and everything like that, and honestly it's actually quite an interesting little build, man. I've clearly never built a gun, but this to me just seemed quite fun. There's also like a little silly mag that goes in the bottom where you can sort of slam a few extra spare rubber bands. Definitely don't think you have a magazine in a revolver. It's just the chamber, right? But what am I? A scientist? No. But anyway, all joking aside, really enjoyed putting this together, man. It took me a few hours, but it was just fun. Just like a real nice way to chill out and just relax. So all of these things, man, just super duper fun to put together. And like once they get that last little snap together, everything satisfying, yes, yes. And also it looks just freaking amazing. I hope you agree. Oh yeah, it's finished. And I'm really impressed. I gotta say, it's actually come out really nicely. The whole thing comes out pretty decent. It also has a R on the handle. That was accidental, I didn't intend that. But my name's Reese, and it begins with a R. So now, it truly is my weapon of mass destruction. I gotta say, I've really enjoyed this. I built this over the course of like one evening, watch a couple episodes of TV, and just enjoying myself. And darn it, I'm now cowboy. Not how you hold a gun. I mean blaster. Goodness me. Did you hear that, YouTube? I said blaster. Anyway, like I say, really recommend this. If you want a fun little way to burn a couple of hours and have a cool little drink at the end of it, definitely really fun. Could be a really fun project to do with like a younger, I don't know, like 8 to 9 year old, something like that. Could be really fun build with them. I gotta say, I enjoyed myself as a fully grown fleshed adult. And I enjoyed making that stupid little movie that you just watched. Very short movie. And it was fun. I enjoyed putting it together. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, guys. If you did enjoy this, then please do be going ahead and smash the like button. If you want to see more videos of anything creative, because it's what I do, from flipping Lego to anything, then subscribe. Hit that bell, never miss a video again. We try and do one of these a week, so definitely come and join me. I'm really trying to step up everything that I'm doing in this space by making the videos high quality, better quality, more entertaining, and every video we achieve that, I think. So thank you so much for watching. If you did, like I say, do help out by doing that like button. I'd appreciate it. Anyway, I've got to go. This town, it ain't big enough for the both of us. That's my cowboy laugh. At least I'm ready for when the apocalypse happens now, because I'll just, you know, fire elastic bands at them, or use it as kindling. Either way, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Yeah.